We're back from Berlin, so let the videos begin. I'm starting off with kind of sweet treats. Here, first of all, we've got Vegans, which is a whole vegan supermarket. So you can walk in, everything you see is vegan, which is fantastic. Upstairs, they have a place called The Bowl, and downstairs, they have Goodies. Now, this place does cakes and things, and when I say I'm starting off a bit kind of healthier, not quite, but still. That's a wholemeal cinnamon roll with some chai lattes there, which was absolutely lovely. And this is next door. This is Vegans, where everything you see, every single item is vegan. So you can just walk in, grab anything you want, and you don't have to worry. They've got like frozen sections, pet sections, healthcare, chocolate, you know, everything. This place is awesome. Now, if you walk down the road a little bit, you come to Duo, which is a Sicilian gelato shop. Everything is very, very clearly labelled, so you know exactly what is vegan, exactly what isn't. And they also have vegan cones, which, given I work in a gelato shop and we don't have vegan cones, this makes me incredibly happy. And also on that note, this stuff is amazing. Like, the chocolate, don't tell Jamie, because he'll kill me. It's like the best I've ever had. Just don't tell him. So, last of all, we've got here Brammables. Now, if you go to the original one on a Tuesday or a Friday, you come across this market smack outside the door. There's fruit, there's bread, there's Turkish coffee, there's all sorts of things, materials. You just get so much there, and it's such a bargain as well. They were doing something like 2 mangoes for €1. You can get fruit so cheap there. Last time we got like a carrier bag of cherries for like €2. It was incredible. So this is the original Brammables, and this is the bigger shop. They also have opened a newer one, which is in Danzigerstrasse, which is in the kind of north part of Berlin, almost by Alexanderplatz. This is a new one, little bit smaller, not as much seating, but it's still a really, really cute little shop, and they've just got their new pink flooring, which is absolutely amazing. You'll see that in a minute. But both of them have a huge range of donuts. Both of them have seating. It's just that the bigger one also does savoury options if you are so inclined. We went there every day because this is what Leo asked for his birthday. After all, we went to Berlin for Leo's birthday, and yeah, what do you want for your birthday? Brammables. So we went every single day, and between us we managed 25 donuts, which is quite good going. So if you do hit that sweet wall, Brammables, this is the original one, the big one. They also do cheese toasties, BLTs, which is what this is, and that is coconut, bacon, lettuce and tomato.